This is Oluwasegun. This is me presenting my week 3 CompileCamp projects. My week 3 CompileCamp project, which is to build a responsive recipe book app. A responsive recipe book, recipe book app. To show responsive and other use of widgets So this responsiveness is to show how widgets in the app react as in the screen size changes. Either you are using mobile tablets or a desktop screen. When your app is responsive, the widgets in the app, they respond as regards the screen size. So we also use the layout builder. We use the layout builder to check for the layout builder to check, and we use the responsive in the widget. We use the in the widget we use the responsive. The responsive breakpoint. We use the responsive breakpoint, to check for the screen, and so we passed it, to the layout builder. So, and this was for the recipe card grid. This was for the recipe card grid, like to check, how many columns it should give to us. So back to our app. So this is a mobile view. We can also use this. This is a mobile view as this. So they have the same. They have like the same. Same size range. Same size range. So in addition, we have the bottom navigation bar for the home, for the recipe, the favorites, and the profile. Also this one, the home, recipe, favorite, and profile. So the profile, we can change setting. We can change it to dark mode. We can also change to dark mode. So it is changed. We can change dark mode, and we can go back to home. So that is all. And for the recipe, we have the featured recipe, the recipe card. We have the recipe details page. This things appear at the app bar. We also use the favorite, so we added it to favorite at this place. So we can now check. So it's at favorite. We can also remove it, so it is removed. For the recipe list, because it is a mobile view, it is in list. But let's test it. For desktop and other screens. So for desktop, you see is in grid view. And for desktop, the recipe list is in grid view. And we have the navigation rail. The navigation rail on the left. So like they have the same. This we also have the navigation rail with this. Yes, this shows the responsiveness. We can also search. Let me say chicken curry. So it brings so this is chicken curry. So the search functionality is working. So let us now take it to desktop, full desktop. So this now, like it brought the drawer for desktop, and expanded list than the mobile and desktop view. So this is what the responsiveness is like. The app widgets, they are responding you can see they are responding to the size of the screen, size of the device screen. They're responding to the device screen. So for this, you can see, and if you enlarge it, so that's a draw. So the widget that we used, so we also used, I've said, in the decent way, we used in the utilities, the files were broken down into data. We had our data point, hold on. So we have the data, the category screen, profile screen, and everything. So the widget that we also use the list view. We use the list view, deleting and all. So thank you.